If you're just scrolling through the feed of everybody else, of course you're gonna feel awful about yourself.
Of course.
But it's all fake.
It's all fake.
And the
It's
good
all
thing
fake.
about street photography and candid photography is like you get to see like how it's not all pretty out there. Like other people are having problems just like yourselves.
Well, go fuck yourself. How about that? Do not ever do that
When
again.
you see that kind of representation, I don't know, you feel a little bit more human, I think.
The right brain.
You find it easy to talk to people.
Pictures,
You're a
films.
hobbyist or are you a professional?
I know, I'm just a hobbyist. I'm a street photographer.
Okay.
Just capture life on the street, you know.
And that's part of the street photography thing for you. I'm the opposite.
Okay.
I find like I'm very like just, and I get the confrontational pictures.
Yeah, I can understand a slap, right? If she fools around on you or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, fuck it, go to jail, right? For 30 days.
It's a really good way of countering this kind of Instagram, everything is perfect, look at me, how wonderful my life is, kind of Kim Kardashian type of view of the world. And there's no way to compete with that, because if you're just scrolling through the feed of everybody else, of course you're gonna feel awful about yourself.
Of course.
But it's all fake.
It's all fake.
And the
It's all
good thing
fake.
about street photography and candid photography is like you get to see like how it's not all pretty out there. Like other people are having problems just like yourselves. And when you see that kind of representation, I don't know, you feel a little bit more human, I think.
You mind if I get a shot of your hands too? Just the front of your hands. No, put them together. Yeah. They show how hard you've been working.
Yeah.
Let's see your nails. Just
I
show
don't know
me.
how I broke that one. I don't know how I broke that one.
Just hold that. Let's see the front of your hand. No, the top. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Can you bring them closer together? Yeah. Because it shows how hard you guys work, you know, just to get by.
Everyone struggles, you know what I mean? Everyone's got their story.
And I'm sorry to hear that you're not in a better place, but at least you know what? Maybe you are in a better place. I don't know what your story is.
Exactly, guys.
I just want to say God bless to you guys.
God bless you. Thank you.
Wishing you the best.
Even with the photos, you're just spreading awareness, and that's even fucking
I'm
good.
spreading awareness.
Yes.
I'm trying to.
Even that helps helps all of us out a great.
I hope so.
It helps us out.
Guys, God bless. Eh? Have a great day. Hi, nice to meet you guys.
I just met her. I met this wonderful older gentleman. So,
Are you? Is this a friend too? Hi, how are you?
yeah, they're all friends, right?
Good.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Sorry, man. I thought it was a gift, but it was a loan. Anyway, so, is he gone?
Yeah.
Fuck me, man. Fucking crack pipes and fucking this and that. Hey? Yeah, I picked it up and gave it to him. Get the fuck out of here. You know, buddy, I can deal with alcohol. I can deal with cigarettes, okay? But fucking crack and fentanyl and fucking marijuana and fucking heroin, I can't deal with. I can't deal with that shit.